because they're just really ridiculous. There's a lot of black on the road right here. Now, I missed the tracks that we, but these tracks are pretty bad, and FSD doesn't react to these. It doesn't mind these at all, and it doesn't really seem to want to avoid these either. Let me see if I can get on the other side of the street here. Yeah, you can see how bad these are. FSD has no problem with that. Boy, somebody was really mistreating their car. And this looks like it was a dually, so they had 4 tires spinning like this? That can't be good on anything. Anyway, FSD doesn't seem to mind it. We go right over this, no problem. So these are the tracks that it reacts to when I'm driving westbound. They're really not that strong right here. It's actually kind of faint, especially compared to the other tracks. Let's go ahead and look the way. But even this morning when I came by to record this video, the car got out of the lane for these tracks. Here's what it's seeing. And it doesn't like these at all. But they're very faint. I don't know why. And it doesn't seem anything that we need to get out of the way of. But FSD tends to overreact to these particular tracks. Weird.